Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be doing a plan with me in my creative journal. I use a vertical happy planner for that, and it's going to be from the 16th to the 22nd of May. So let's start by getting these off the discs. Oh God, can't talk this morning. Okay, and then the sticker book I am going to be using is Good Vibes. I really like this sticker book. This is actually, I think, the second one that I have bought. I used a lot of the first one, so yeah, most of the, all the ones that I could use in there. So yeah, I'm going to use that one for this week. So the first thing I want to do is find something to be put down here, and I usually put a long box down there for gratitude. So let's have a look. I want to apologise too because you might hear rain hitting my window. My window's just right there, and it has been raining for the last few days. Yeah, not very good. We're supposed to be in sunny Queensland, which is supposed to be the sunshine state, and it's no sunshine at all. So hopefully that will change in the next few days because everything's starting to get that, you know how it gets that musty, horrible stuff when not stuff, but you know what I mean, when it rains a lot. Yeah, it starts to smell a bit funky. So yeah, anyway, so I pop that down there. That I usually pop my gratitude in. Now, because this is my creative journal, I don't have to worry about putting specific boxes on specific days. I just decorate, put boxes wherever I feel like, and I write everywhere in it. You've seen I do have a flip through up at the moment of my April video. I will pop that in a card. Hopefully it will pop up there when one of the cards. I'll pop that up for you, and you can have a look and see what I've actually done in my creative journal in the past. So let's get started by popping down, and God, it's bucketing down now, jeez. Let's find some boxes. There's boxes there, but I mean these boxes. All right, I like this one that says girls, so I'll grab that. Oh God, stick it to the top of the book. I need to get up to Spotlight to get myself some freezer paper because that's the only place we can buy it from in Australia. We don't have it at Woolies or any of the supermarkets or anything like that. When did I get it at Costco? Anyway, yeah, so I suppose I could use baking paper. It's fairly similar, but it's not. The stickers actually don't stick to the baking paper. So anyway, it's neither here nor there. Let's keep looking. Oops. Through this book, I'm looking for a box or other. Oh God, now they're going to have a fight in the background again. Will you two stop? Always, when I am filming, they decide that they want to play with each other, and their playing is very, very noisy. They either do it when I'm filming or they do it when I'm on a video call because I work from home a lot. So yeah, and that really, really annoys me. Yeah, luckily most of the times on the video call you can have it on mute, so that works out really well. Yeah, so but usually it's when I'm talking because I think it's my voice that actually Himale actually sets them off more than anything. So but anyhow, I'll pop that one down here, and I have absolutely no plan, as you can see, no plan of attack, no nothing, just stick things everywhere and hope for the best. Usually it works out in the long run. Usually I like it, so. And anyway, it's my planner. I don't care if anyone else doesn't like it, as long as I like it. And there you go. They're having a good old play. What else? Oh, I might want to use a few of those. I want to use those ones or the ones with the pink. So there's another lot with the pink in the back. Right, let's use these ones with the pink. Oh, boys, you're really annoying. You know that, don't you? I'll take a Good Vibes one. Oh, if I can get it off. I'm going to put that. See, that matches that. But that matched that anyway, didn't it? No, it really doesn't matter. But I don't like that. I could put that up there. I could put that down there. No. Oh, golly gosh. Maybe I should have used the, what's it called? The gold ones. Alright, let's pop that back in there. I don't think I can get that bottle off without my undo. So let's put that back in there and see if I can. But I don't think I can because I've stuck it on the sticker. And the stickers are not as forgiving as what the paper is. But I suppose if I'm going to put the... Yeah, see, look, it's coming off with the sticker. But if I'm going to put another sticker down there, which is exactly the same, it'll be alright. No, undo is quite expensive, and yeah, I don't like to use it unless I really have to use it. So, alright, here we go. We use the gold ones. Alright. And we will cover that spot up. Spot be gone. And then I want to put the Good Vibes up here, I think. And what else do we have in here we can use? I might get a few more boxes, not those ones, maybe some of the square ones I saw back here. Yeah. And I have a green one here. And we'll have a pink one here. Nice. Okay. Celebrate the small victories. I like these little quotes. My spirit animal is a unicorn. I love that one. But I'm going to use that one, definitely. That one is going to go straight across like that. My spirit animal is a unicorn. Shine from the inside, smiles are contagious. I like that one too. We are going to put that one over there like that. Beautiful. I love making clusters of things. I just think it, I don't know. I just like making clusters of stuff around. Let's use some of these little ones. Let's use a pink one. Pop it down there. And one of these ones. Pop it up there like that. Is that even straight? Yes, it is. It's not too bad. That'll do. Okay, next. As you can see, I'm just flipping through all sorts of things and picking things up. I like this behind. No rhyme or reason in my sticking of stuff. Just whatever I feel like and whatever I like. Right, let's put this hello. Yep. Down there like that. Okay. Sunday's looking pretty sparse, isn't it? I need to sort of flow out that way a bit. Okay, let's then pop. I'll grab that avocado and I'll grab the lightning bolt. No. Just grab another avocado. We'll grab 2 avocados, why don't we? Avocado. What else can I pop over there that'll make it seem to flow over? Be brave every day. I to work off that if I pop that down here. And pop my little avocado green one there. And my pink one up here. And then I can join in with other bitsies there. Where's my gold page? There it is. Let's go for a rainbow. Oh, I always seem to mess up the edges when I do stuff, when I peel them off. A rainbow and the Hello Sunshine. Pop that one there. Oops, I had a little brave a bit, but that's okay. All right, now I want to add in. Let's add in some of these. I'm going to grab my tweezers. Where are they? In my little pouch. Tweezers, tweezers, there they are. Sticking well to my fingers. Oh! I'm going to add in a star there. A flower there. One of these groovy hang 10 ones there. Another star. Come on. In there. Just to fill that up, I think. A bit more star here. I'm going to pop another star there, and I might pop a flower just down in there. Oh, come off, please. Alrighty. I might also too, while I'm thinking about it, pop another boys, please. Pop another box. I wanted something in there. Let's go with this one, and let's see if I can get that good vibes up a little bit. This is going to be a test. Maybe I will need to go and get the undo. Oh, no. That was just a Cricut palette knife that I used. They're really good if you want to lift things up like I just did there. Let's put that there like that. Okay, lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Lovely doubly. Something here too. Sorry, I'm all over the shop, aren't I? Ooh, let's put something there. Ooh, let's not put something there. Sorry. I'm in a weird mood today, I don't know why. Could use those and do some sticker surgery on them. I'll show you how it is done. Let's use this colour. What I mean by sticker surgery is because it's got homework up the top, and I really don't want homework. I mean, I could actually pop in one of these, where were they? The sayings, these things. You can find one that fits mainly across, you know, that's not big, like the adventure or, you know, choose joy, the plan, life is beautiful, and you can pop that over there. But if you just want the plain box, you can actually just chop off the homework like so, and you have yourself a box you can use without the homework on it. So if you're afraid to buy because this is a student sticker book, so if you're afraid to buy a student sticker book because you think that there's a lot of things in here that you can't use, well, there's a lot of things in here that you can use if you, just do what I just did then and chop it off. So, and there's all sorts of other little tips and tricks. So I might do a video on the tips and tricks, I think. If you would like to see that, pop a comment below and tell me what you'd like to see whether you'd like to see a tips and tricks or whether you'd like to see, yeah, maybe something else. But I think of tips and tricks and some other stuff that you may want to know. Yeah, there's all sorts of other ways of using stickers that have, you can put other stickers on top of them, like these ones. You can chop them like I've just done. You can write over them again. Yeah, there's all sorts of other, like these ones. These ones are meant for your, what's it called? Can't think now. Your monthly calendar, because it has the date in there. But you can actually pop these down on your page and pop a sticker over it, and no one's going to know the difference. So yeah, there's all sorts of ways of using your stickers. So don't be afraid to. Okay, I think I am just about done. I think I want to, no, I don't think I do. I think that might be it. I could keep going all day and just sticking, and then I'll end up with one sticker and, one page. Sorry, the page is full of stickers and actually nowhere to bloody write, because, yeah, I get carried away sometimes. But I like that because being my journal, I will write in the boxes, I will write outside the boxes. So, like I said, if you want to see that, I've popped it up in the cards up above. Yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, can you please give it a thumbs up? Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I'll catch you next time. See you later.